Hello and welcome back. Today we have this Volkswagen ID.4 and what we're going to do is install detachable towbar. So at the moment, as you can see, we've got a plate there and nothing at the bottom. So we're going to do the towbar and show you the result. So let's get to it. So this is the car before the towbar, and now there you go. Right, we've got the car out straight from the workshop. As you can see, the job is completed. Towbar is already fitted here. So I'm just going to show you the results. So the car has the electrics. So you just tilt down, so you can see it here. 13-pin electrics available, and then you've got the mechanism to detach the towbar. So to remove the tow hitch, what we need to do, we need to undo the little flap here that covers the lock. Then we've got the key that we're going to slide in there now and turn it for you. So I'm just going to show you. So key goes in, then you need to turn it to unlock it, and then what you do is you push the whole lever and twist it towards the car, and then the whole thing just comes out, and that's what you end up with. So when you don't use the towbar, you don't actually see anything. It's just flush and nice. Right, just to show you the complete kit. The brand is Brink. It's a Dutch company, similar like Westphalia. The reason we installed Brink on this one is just the availability. Westphalia wasn't available, so we just don't Brink. They are as good in terms of quality and so on, so there's no difference. And when installed by us, it comes with 3 years warranty. So get a bag for your tow hitch, tow head, which you can just put in the bag. You get this cover, so if you don't tow anything, you can just put it on top of the ball head here, and you get this plastic, so when you don't use the towbar, you can just cover the hole, which is here. I'm just showing you, so that it covers the whole locking mechanism, because obviously there has grease in it to keep the mechanism moving. So this little plastic covers that, so there's no dirt getting in. And just to remove it, you pull it and it's out, and then that hole is ready to push in the tow hitch. So right, just before I finish, let me just show you as well inside how the electrics are working with this kit. So I'm just gonna get in. Right, so I've got the car running now. So if I select the reverse gear, which is just here, it switches over. So obviously it's got the camera, you can see the tow hitch attached, and what happens, the sensors change, so you can see the trailer mode. We've got the electric testing electrics connected to the car, so you can see it has changed. So it's all fully integrated. Yeah, for more information, just get in touch with us. Links will be in the description. Thank you for joining us, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.